When my 7-year-old daughter was adding, I noticed that she tends to miscount one pattern of number sequence.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
That's correct. What's the answer?
31.
But you wrote something else. I would refer to these as tricky around-the-corner numbers. We have to write around the corner numbers. We're going to practice those so you can get this correct. Okay, Annie?
Okay.
The name made sense to us. You'll see why soon. These are tricky around-the-corner numbers. My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How Allie Learned Around-the-Corner Numbers on One Mom's Perspective. In addition math problems, Allie had no problem adding numbers when counting in the ones place value ranges from 2 to 9. But counting numbers ending with 0 and 1 in the ones place value at times yielded incorrect answers because Allie could miscount what I call around-the-corner numbers. To solve for adding these around-the-corner numbers, Allie needed to consistently count correctly within a specific set of sequence. In school, this set or specific pattern of numbers were not practiced, or at least not in this way with focus.
28, 29, 30, 31.
That's right, 31. Here it is, 28, 29, 30, 31. So after you practice all that counting around the corner, you can do all this by yourself. Often, counting exercises always or also included numbers with 1 to 9 in the ones place value. In order for Allie to recognize what she was having trouble with in addition math problems, she needed to see and practice just these around-the-corner numbers. Here were some strategies used.
What is after 19? It's 20.
You're asking yourself the correct question.
20, 21, 22. The 4 is 5.
Allie would verbalize asking out loud the question, what is after? This sounds easy, but it can be tricky because Allie had to recognize the correct number to ask. She was able to do so because she understood place values, ones, tens, and hundreds.
What is after 5? It's 68, 59, 60. After 5 is 6. 61, 62.
After Allie recognized the sequence she could miscount and learned how to ask the correct question, she practiced counting just that set of sequence. When she got stumped, she would remember to either ask the correct question out loud or repeat the count.
91. I want to be because you don't know it. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. What is after 10? It's 111.
Good answer. That's the correct question. Knowing when to ask what is after the number in the tens place versus the ones place was most effective for her. Even when counting in the 100, she would know to carry the 1 over and count the next number by asking the correct question. During her counting practices, I would show her in different ways how to visualize this set of sequence with place values.
9.
Goes back to
Go
0.
back to 0.
Now you change your ones. Now you have to change your tens. What's after 0?
It's 1.
That's right. So after 9 is 10.
9 is 10.
Now we'll go to 11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19.
After 19 is right. You see how I did that?
Yeah.
This is 19.
It's
After
19.
9,
After 9.
in the ones,
In the ones.
go back to.
Go back to 0.
And then in the tens, you go
And
to
then
the
10 we
next.
go to the next.
Tens.
10.
In the ones, we have 0.
0.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
After 9, in the ones, you go back to.
We go back to 0.
That's right. So after
After
19
19
is,
is 20.
and then you start again. 21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
then
Then do this.
you understand that, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, after you finish all
I
your
have to
ones,
finish all my ones.
you start again
You're
at
the
0.
gonna 0.
But you go to the
Go
next
to next.
tens.
10.
Okay, now let's try. After 49
49
is,
is 50.
after
After
59
59
is,
is 60.
okay, honey?
Yeah.
Yes. If you forget this, you can remember that. But you know how to ask the correct question to get the correct answer already. Okay? This is very awesome, honey. I think you understand. In school, she would see how the numbers get to the next row, as if there's some separation, and not see how these numbers can be next to each other around the corner, as if there's no separation, but a continuing sequence in counting.
30.
What are you coloring next? 30.
31.
Yes, good job.
But it's 31 though.
Yeah, you have to go to the next row.
Oh, it's over there.
Because when you fold it, it's going to be around the corner.
Amount.
Yeah, like this one. You see how's the next row? 30, 31 is the next row. You
Yeah.
see that? And then 32.
32.
In the summer of 2022, Allie was able to solve for addition math problems consistently, including those tricky around the corner numbers. Thanks for watching.